Welcome to Wellbeing Wednesday. I have now labelled this our Wellbeing Wednesday, and on a Thursday I'm going to be doing a Turmeric Thursday because, as you may have seen in my comments or in my posts, I have now got a Turmeric, which I am unbelievably excited about, and just want to share my journey with you and what it can do. So if you are interested in a Turmeric, then tune in tomorrow on Thursday at 12:30. So I've got a retreat coming up this weekend up in Whanganui, just praying the weather's going to be kind to us. And I always do a little bit, it's very much based around cooking and healthy food and giving inspiration and motivation on how to do that easily and quickly. We do a lot of workshops, but I prepare a lot of things before I go so that the girls get to experience lots of different flavors and ingredients. So one of the things that we always enjoy are turmeric, ginger and lemon bliss balls throughout, it might be at lunch or if anyone needs a snack. So I thought I would talk you through me making them. Now, the recipe says half a cup of almonds and then sunflower and pumpkin seeds. Now, I'm doing all sunflower and pumpkin seeds. I just want to show you a different variation that you can do. Not only does it keep it more economical, but it just adds a slightly different flavor and a different, because they've all got different nutrients. Some coconut. In here I have got some chia seeds, some vanilla powder. I use vanilla powder instead of vanilla essence. It's just something that I really like. You need a much less amount. And then we've got turmeric powder, because I can't get turmeric at the markets at the moment. And then I've got some fresh ginger. Okay, so if you can get hold of fresh turmeric, then do use that. Now I've got some dates here that I have pitted and then taken out the pips. Sorry, I've soaked them, taken out the pips and drained it off. Some lemon juice and lemon rind. How crazy are lemon prices at the moment? And in fact, they're actually really hard to find. Never before have I not been able to find lemons. So what I've got here is lemon rind and lemon juice, which I have had in the freezer. So when lemons are in abundance, so I'll be doing this because our tree is showing lots of lemons. So when they're in season, I will be rinding and juicing them, and then I do them into the ice cube trays and put them in the freezer. And I do it for limes as well, and our lime tree is just starting to produce, which is so very exciting. So I've got some lemon juice and lemon rind. If I didn't have the lemon rind in the freezer, then I would just leave it out. And then some coconut oil, melted coconut oil. And did you know that for maximum absorption of turmeric, now the inflammatory benefit of turmeric is called curcumin, and that is what helps our joints and our aches and pains. For the body to be able to absorb curcumin, you need black pepper. So I am grinding up some black pepper. You can't even really tell in the recipe, but it's something that we were focusing on this month in my membership. We were focusing on which ingredients help absorption of different foods. And this was one that came up, which I already knew, but curcumin and turmeric, they need to go hand in hand. So if you have smoothies or juices and you put turmeric in, then just make sure you add the correct black pepper. I'd love to know, did you know that? Okay. Now we are, let me just look at this. I've been using my Turmeric so much that I've forgotten how to use my food processor. Not even, but I have. So these are so easy and full of flavour. I mean, you could make them with cashews. You can just play around with the nuts. or the combination. And then that is it. And then what I'm going to do is just, so I'll show you that mixture. See, it's, I like a bit of texture in there. I'll just roll those up into balls and then put them in the fridge. Really good to freeze as well. So if you've, just, this is what you need to do to make healthy eating achievable. Have those options in the fridge or in the freezer so that when you get home from work or you've just got that sweet craving after lunch or after dinner, this is what you choose rather than the packet of biscuits or the cake of chocolate or whatever your cravings call you to devour. So would love to know if you knew that about turmeric and curcumin. Now if you want this recipe, it's actually on my website wickedwellbeing.com, and then just put turmeric, lemon and ginger balls in there and it will come up. And for those of you who are interested in sharing my journey with me about the Turmeric, I will see you tomorrow at 12:30 for Turmeric Thursday, and I'm going to be making another, I'm doing a nut-free chocolate ball in the Turmeric so you can see the difference, and I'll just share with you what I love so much about it. Okay, see you later. Bye.